This is the kind of groove that you wanna play. That is a halftime shuffle. In this video, we will learn two things. One, what is a halftime shuffle? Two, how to use it in a musical context. Let's start with number one. Just as the word implies, the halftime shuffle consists of two parts. A halftime, where a backbeat is played on the snare drum, combined with shuffle notes played on the hi-hats. Think of it as a groove, where the snare hits on beat 3, giving it a halftime feel, while shuffle subdivisions of 8 notes or triplets are played on the hi-hats. Why this is interesting is it creates this laid-back pocketed feel of a backbeat, but with the momentum of a shuffle. Let's start with the shuffle the hi-hat pattern. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Now let's add ghost notes in between the hi-hat notes. Great. Now let's add kick drum and snare. The kick drums are on 1, A of 1, 2, N of 3, and A of 4. There's only one snare accent, which is on 3. Let's see how that sounds at 60 BPM and then at 140 BPM. Cool. Now let's add some spice to the groove by opening the hi-hat on 4. The rest of the pattern remains the same. Let's see how that sounds at 60 BPM and at 140 BPM. If you like this lesson, you can watch this paradiddle video right here. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.